boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. He saw the world, a lost, confused and frightened world, and with his words he won their hearts, taught them how to see. Eased their pain, a gentle rain, so beautiful was he. And then one day, one magic day, he passed my way, and though we spoke of many things, foods and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Last night I dreamed he came to me, so real it seemed. His hands were warm, his lips so soft, whispering to me. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.